Hello, I'm Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. Today, I'd like to discuss requirement number 7 of the HCBS Final Rule, privacy at home. The requirement states, among other things, that people you support have a functioning lock on their door, and that they decide who can enter their living space and when. Let's go back to Sunny Oaks and see how a stunt turtle, a sci-fi show, and a can of grape soda help the team support Dexter's right to privacy.
Okay, to Saturn, then the stars.
Dexter!
Huh?
Guess what I got? Oh, sorry, Dex, but Baskin-Robbins is hosting a private Zoom class today. You in?
No, I'm afraid you'll have to Zoom without me. I have plans.
Okay, see you later, alligator.
Okay, to Saturn, then the stars.
Dexter!
Huh?
Check out White Hot Wax! Wax will now perform a death-defying trick, jumping over the meal of doom! I think he needs more practice.
I concur. If you don't mind, I'm about to watch my show. Okay, to Saturn, then the
It's called Loud and Chaotic. Do you like?
What?
Do you like my song? Well, I thought it slapped.
Nova, I need your assistance.
Uh-oh, what's wrong?
All I want to do is watch the season premiere of Lanterman and they keep coming into my room. You've got to do something. This is unacceptable.
Dude, why don't you just lock your door?
I can lock my door?
Of course you can. It's your room. No one should come inside unless you say so.
Like in episode 3 when Lanterman decided to block the trade route to Pluto 7 by using a Commodian laser cannon?
Yes?
Okay then.
You know what? I'm about to log off for the day, so why don't I make sure your airlock is operational?
This is acceptable.
Okay, my man, let's do this.
Who is it?
It's me, Lucas. And for the record, this situation is more like when the Kleptons wanted to invade Deep Spaceport 9, so Lanterman used a photon lock to stop them from entering.
Exactly. So with this lock, I get to decide who can come in, right?
Yes, you do.
Would you like to come in and watch the Lanterman premiere with me?
Is a Smurftonian blue?
The team reinforced Dexter's right to privacy by reminding him that he has working locks, and it is his right to decide when to use them. After all, it's his home. Remember, big, impactful change can start with small conversations. As a service provider, being person-centered means listening to the people you support and acting upon what you hear.